hello.
Well, howdy.
I'm Christian, and today I will be your tour guide in this beautiful forest, as you can see. All the wonderful things that are going to be there. And today we will be going through, and before we go through, I want to know, do you have any questions whatsoever?
Well, yes, I do. I just want to know, is there any wildlife, anything dangerous I got to worry about up in here?
Well, ma'am, I can assure you that in all my years of going through this forest and being a tour guide, I have never, ever seen anything to worry about. So, in all honesty, you have absolutely nothing to be afraid of.
Well, all right then. Show me what you got, youngin'.
All right, let's go. Now, first we have the beautiful...
That doesn't sound like nothing. Christian? Well, Lordy be.